Hello everyone, this is Manipulator, today with this American 1100 series that I got from Lockdart, Freediver72. Thanks so much. This was a lot of fun to pick, took me quite a while to get inside this. It has a master key inside, so it works with this master key 401. And yeah, that keyway is more restrictive than I would have anticipated, so it took me a while to get inside this. I'm using a tension tool that is actually way too small for this keyway. You can see I have lots of play in there, but the keyway has been abused so much by picking that any other tension tool that actually fits just jumps out first chance it gets. I cannot make any of my tension tools stick in there, and on this one I have to keep the tension high all the time, otherwise I'll lose it as well. And you can see we're just a little ways apart from the screw, and working our way towards this screw will be the key to opening this. As soon as we're almost there, we can open this, and the screw gets in the way, and then we'll have to figure out how to get past that. I'm using two somewhat identical picks. They're the same depth, they're both deep hooks. The PN05 and the V05. The V05 is the thinner version, which is why it looks a little beat up. I'm not good with my picks. And this is the original that looks much nicer. Okay, let's start and see what it takes to get inside this lock. Alright. Let's start on number 1. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2, actually. A little click on 2. Number 3. A subtle click on 3. Now I'm on pin number 4. Couple of clicks on 4. Now we are on pin 5. Good click. Pin 6. Little click. This is not the binding order, at least not the one I'm used to. Okay. Why ever this is happening now. A little bit of counter rotation on 4. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 5. Neither. We might have gotten a little closer. Let's see number 6. We've just gotten a lot closer. We're close. Now I'll use the thinner pick to double check everything. Should be the full set that we need to get inside. I'm starting on the back, pin 6. It's not binding. Another is 5. 4 feels set. Start from the front here. Okay, 1. Nothing. 2. Counter rotation. I think I got it. Seems like we lost our full set. Which means back to the back. That was number 6. Nothing on 5. Not sure about 4. Counter rotation, but still not back to our full set. Was 5. 6. We're really close. Okay, let's see. I'm starting in the back again. who are you? 6 again. Subtle counter rotation. We're touching the screw. That could be it. Let me press against this tension tool. Snap. There we go. As I said, well, not an easy pick. I'm getting too excited here. Let me zoom out a little bit. And yeah, let's take this apart without losing our friend locked out in the screen. Okay. Let's see what it takes to get inside this. Can you see it? I cannot. Yeah, there's a screw. Could be this. That works. Okay. Cool. Let's put this here. Core. And we don't need that anymore. Okay. How do I open this? Yeah. Look how prepared I am today. So look at this. Those are the pins in there. As I said, spool serrated. It's really hard to see, but there are subtle serrations in this. And spool, spool. Spool, spool, spool. Okay, so the serrated kind of emulates a standard as well. For the pin effectiveness, the first one didn't do anything. So that wasn't a spool really, because this is, sorry, you can't see this. This is almost to shear. This spool wouldn't have been effective at all. In the second, this spool was working just fine. Third chamber, that spool should have given us counter rotation as well, because I felt it at some point, I think. Come on. Yep. However subtle, it's a spool in there. Next, this is really high as well. However, yeah, the spool can give it a little bit of counter rotation, just a little bit. Fifth, the serrated. How many clicks should have given us in chamber 5? 1 and shear, so 2 clicks out of this. In an ideal world. And the last key pin that was really low, and the spool on top of that one. Yeah, that was really annoying. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Manipulator says bye bye.